Hi Momenters, thanks for watching another Moments by Boothe video. If you're new to the channel, I'm Boothe, real estate YouTuber and realtor, and this is your one-stop shop for all things Jamaican real estate. Today, I'm at my brand new listing, a one-bedroom in Kingston 10. We're about to check it out. But enough of the chattings, I know you're ready for the video. Are you ready? Run me intro. So it's a brand new apartment complex. And when I say just been completed. Painting, walls, everything just completed. And we're about to go on the inside, and they're doing the finishing touches on everything right now. So you have controlled access right here. You have 24-hour security right there. CCTVs here as well. So you would have to have the code or a key pass to get on the inside. You have a fire hose, fire alarm system, you have an elevator and 2 staircases that leads up to the roof where you'll have your entertainment space and your pool. All right, and you get a 360-degree entertainment space with the pool upstairs. So you have an exit sign right here, at least one of the exits here, and you have another exit around the other side where the next staircase is, and the elevator slab dash in between. All right, you also have windows here that show the outside, nice landscaping, and of course you have a backup water tank for all the units here. And to mention all the units, it's a very quaint apartment complex with just 8 units. All right, and on the second floor, this is your unit. As you can see, this hasn't even come off the door as yet. So you will be getting a brand spanking new unit when you reach out to me to lease this property. So the unit is going for an asking price of $130,000 per month. And we start off with this open concept where you have the kitchen to your left as you step on the inside. So let me show you that first. So you have the cutout right here for your standard size refrigerator. You have soft close cabinets, pure white with gray accents and really nice wooden floors. You have a cutout right here for your stove. And of course, this is an apartment complex, so you're expected to use an electric stove, no gas stove. And then the facilities are in place for if you want to put a hood right there. All right, cabinet spaces here as well, and countertop space. You have up and lower cabinetry, a plug right there. You have a nice large window here showing you on the inside. Cabinets right there as well for additional spacing. You have your stainless steel double bowl sink right there, and then you have a space here you can put 2 bar stools just for some additional seating. And then you would have your main dining room table somewhere along here. The open concept space is air conditioned, and there is also a fan in place. Really nice fan. Both the fans in the living room and the bedroom are Wi-Fi fans, and they also can be connected to an LG app that you can download on your phone. And of course, we have the best air conditioning units in the industry in Jamaica, which are the Windy air conditioning units. Big up Windy every time. Let's go. All right, so this is a really nice large glass window, but it's equipped with facilities for you to put up your curtain. And then this shows you on the outside of the complex where you have 1 parking space for each tenant. And of course, it's just 8 of you guys here, so the additional spaces can be utilized for your friends and family when they do visit you. So this would be your living room setup right here. Your couch would be somewhere around here. You have your big 100-inch TV right there. You have lighting up top. All right, that's right there. So initially they're going to use embedded a fire alarm system right there, but they opted to put it on the side of the wall instead. So this will be closed up before you move in. You have a nice pendulum light right here for over your countertop. And then this actually comes with the unit, so you get a washer and dryer with this unit and a traditional wash tub. You have hot and cold water here as well. That's set up, and that's your laundry area. Again, this is a brand new unit, just been completed just this week that I'm videoing this. Let's go on the outside so you guys can see. So this is what you're working with. All right, nice. So that's your vantage point from the outside. This is what everything looks like from out here, and you do get ample balcony space. Feels very nice and spacious. On the outside you can put a desk and 2 chairs out there and just relax in the evenings. So let's move into this little hallway here, and you have your closet right here. So the closet is actually on the outside. You have some space up top to store your suitcases or any large comforters that you might have. Alright, so that's your closet space. Let's check the bathroom out, which is on this side. So this is your bathroom. So you have the floating vanity with a really nice faucet right there. You have me. Hi guys, happy Valentine's Day. I'm shooting this on Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day to all the lovers out there. And if you don't have a Valentine, I can be a Valentine, ladies. Mwah, mwah. Alright. You have the lighting up there. Your toilet is here. You have the glass enclosure shower with the raindrop shower head. And you have a nice large window right here. Bam. Alright. So that's your bathroom done. So let's get into your bedroom now, which is a spacious bedroom, I must say. So your bedroom is a large bedroom space, right? And you get a fan and an air conditioning unit in here. So at no point in time you'll be in this unit and be feeling hot. So those are the water tanks I was telling you about. So there are 8 of them around there. That covers the 8 units that are inside this small, quaint, gated complex. Alright. So you do get a little balcony area here. Alright, not me struggling with this. Oh, this working. Alright, let me try to open the next one. Alright, so the next one open. So you see the car park from here. Just some brushes to clean up, and again some final touches to be done. Those are the water tanks over there, and for this specific unit it's a 200-gallon water tank. So you have 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms and 3 bedrooms on this complex. So for the 1 bedrooms, this is one of those units, it's a 200-gallon water tank. You have your plugs right there. Right, and then you have 2 more there, 2 more there. Again, you're in the air conditioning unit right there. Yeah. So that's your bedroom in a gist. So let's cut to the rooftop now, and let me show you your swimming pool and upstairs 360 entertainment space. All right, out. So we're up on the roof, and when I said 360 degrees, you know, some people tell you 360 degrees, but when I said 360 degrees, I mean it. So all along, oh my gosh, the elevator It's not set up as yet. So, whew, I ran up quite a few flights upstairs. So I'm fully born off. Well, that's it. And when I say central location, I mean from here it's literally 10 minutes to anywhere in Kingston you want to be. Alright, so that's a storage area there. You do have a bathroom facility that will be set up on the top. Of course, when you're utilizing the pool and such, you can change off up here. You can wash off when you come out the pool. And speaking of pool, let's go and check it out. So you get an even more elevated view of Kingston from the pool deck. Just imagine being up here with your friends and family, just chillaxing in this nice blue pool and enjoying the view. You can actually see the waterfront from here, which is always a nice view, especially during, say for instance, New Year's. You can stay from here and see the fireworks happening all along down that side. But yeah, that has been it for this particular property. Don't forget to reach out to me at 819-9918 if you're interested in this property, or you can send me an email at akeem@sotheby'srealty.com.jm. all right, so it's 819-9918 or akeem@sotheby'srealty.com.jm, and let me know what you think of this property. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, spacious 1-bedroom. It's going for 130,000 Jamaican dollars per month. You can reach out to me if you're interested. You can let me know what you think the property owner can do to add some value to the internal space. Just leave all of your thoughts and comments down the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms, and every time I make one of these videos for you guys, I am able to do so. But that has been enough from me, AB, signing out.